Hey, Grant here, and today I want to show you these solar deck lights by Asmist. And I'd like to thank Asmist for sending these to me so I can do this video. Now, these come in 16 pack, and they are LED lights, and they give out a soft, warm white glow, and it provides a larger and brighter lighting range than my old ones did. Now, these take about 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight to get a full charge, and of course, before you install them, be sure to switch this on the back side. These are weather resistant, which makes them waterproof, anti-rust, and no fading on the color. So, as you can see here, I'm going to use them as lighting for stepping up on our deck here in the backyard. And they can be installed 2 different ways. You have the double-sided tape you can use, or you can use the screws. And it's just whichever you prefer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try the double-sided tape and see if it works. And if it doesn't for some reason, I can always switch it over and put the screws in and use that method. And I'll come back and show you the lights at night so you can see what they look like in action.
It looks like they got enough sun today. They're showing up good.
So once again, these are solar deck lights, 16 pack by Asmist. I hope this helps. I hope to see you again.